Goa has many markets that are vibrant and colorful, and at times they can be full of surprises. And in today's video, I am in Panjim, Goa's capital city, to explore its local market. I was not at all expecting this. Just look at this huge wall with the murals on it, and there are some lovely paintings. Okay, so let me show you where I am. I've got a very nice aerial view of the vegetable market. So in the distance I can see people selling coconuts, and then there are all sorts of vegetables that you can ask for. So we will go down there and check out some prices. So I see that there are stairs on the opposite side as well, and as you can see on both the sides here, there are different kinds of vegetables that are being sold. So I am specifically looking for a few things. Like one of the things that I would be interested in is called water apples. It's been a long time since I didn't have that. We recently got that in the Saturday market in Kalangut, and that was quite good. And just look at all the variety of fruits that are available here. Okay, so this side is more of the fruit section. Wow. Look at how many mangoes are there over here. These look like Alfonso mangoes. Alfonso? कितले त्याचे डझन? 300 डझन. ओके. हांव येता चेक करून येता, म्हाका घेवंक का? So these are Alfonso, guys. I want to get some of these. Lately we had Mankurat. The rates are very good now. The prices have dropped. It's only 300 rupees per dozen. Okay. And this side here are some flowers. Wow. Smells very nice, very fragrant in here because of the flowers. And again, so many mangoes. I mean, this is the time when you will get a huge bargain for mangoes. And bananas, you'll always find bananas in Goa. There is absolutely no shortage of bananas. I have never heard of there being any shortage of bananas. Look at this. So these are like huge guavas. They have just cut one and kept here to show how red they are inside. And this one here is locally called chiku. This is one of my favorite fruits as well. It's very sweet. I think the English name is sapodilla, if I remember. And here we have papayas and coconuts. So we are right on time. All the vendors have already set up their stalls. There are vegetables, and then there are fruits, everything that you can ask for over here. I still cannot find the water apple. Let me just look around. Okay, I think we pretty much covered the fruit section. Let's go that side and see what vegetables are there. Again here chikus, guys. These are like big in size. You must try this if you are in Goa. They are sugary sweet, and I cannot see anyone here. Okay, this guy has chiku as well. Let me ask the rate. Chiku कितले है? 100 रुपये किलो. 100 kilo. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. So the rate that is going on now is 100 rupees for a kg. And look at the lychees that are there over here. Now these are different kinds of mangoes. These are called totapuri, pomegranates. Now these are called jambun. I don't really remember the English name, but yes, lots and lots of variety. Again, the local Goa lady fingers. You can see how huge they are in size. I am currently growing these in a garden. Red vegetable here, pumpkin. This one, guys, you have to try. Last time we bought this. It's called neer ponos. In English it is called breadfruit. It tastes so good when it's fried in like chili and turmeric and salt. Okay. So similar kind of vegetables, sweet potatoes here. Last time from Perne market we bought white sweet potatoes, pretty decent. Okay, in case if you ever wondered what turmeric looks like, so before it is powdered it looks like this. It looks very similar to ginger, but you can see the color. It's a bit orange in color. That's how I know this is turmeric. This is drumstick, also known as moringa. These are ridge gourds. I'm growing these as well, but these are like way bigger in size. The big chilies that you get in Goa, dragon fruit there. Wow. And here again there is like a complete godown of mangoes. So towards this section mostly I can see garlic, again ginger garlic, tomatoes, potatoes. This is the standard what you'll see everywhere. I don't want to ask them the rate, but as far as I know it is like for 100 rupees you will get 4 kgs and or maybe 5 kgs if you're lucky, if it's cheaper. But okay, we'll still ask the price. बटाटे कितल्याचे kg? 40 kg? 1 किलो 40 आणि 4 किलो 5 किलो घेतल्यात कमी ना? Okay. Okay. So the potatoes are quite big in size, but she's like it's 40 rupees a kg, and I found it a bit expensive. Maximum she said she can get it down to 30 rupees, but I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong. I don't know if the vegetables are pricier in Panjim as compared to Mapsa or Pedne. I really don't know, but yeah, that one sounded expensive. And these here are cauliflower. Okay, now let's go back there and get our mangoes. Back at this guy's stall, and I ended up taking like half a dozen of mangoes. So the reason why I chose this ones is because if you see the color, you know, they are nice and red, fragrant on top. So this was the lot here. And this side here is Mankurad mangoes. He's selling it for 400 a dozen, but I think if you bargain you will get a good deal. As I was heading out, I saw this section. So this is where you can get all your chilies. And yes, someone had asked us recently what is the price of kokum. So I'll ask, Ache kitle kg kokum? 600. 600. Okay, so the rate is 600, and this is tamarind. Ache? 240. 240. Okay, thank you. So this shop here is called Dhurvi Spice Store. Is just close to the vegetable market. He has lots of different things here. This is turmeric. These are mustard seeds, and I think these are the other type of mustard seeds, pepper. So everything is there here. In case if you're visiting this market, you will find so many different spices, and then there are some that are packaged in there as well. And that is not the only shop. This side as well you can see different kinds of chilies, so you can find like a variety of chilies in Goa. And this side here again is the vegetable market. So I'm going to get out of here and show you what's there outside. This is where I had entered from the vegetable section, and I had entered from this side, and I'll show you an interesting place here as well. There are some extremely narrow lanes in here, and these guys are selling different kinds of footwear and bags and clothes. Okay, let's go this way because my bike is parked ahead. So lots of shops in here. They're selling these jerseys, shorts. Obviously, yeah, mostly these are fakes, but like I always say in the videos, this is the place where you want temporary stuff. You will find it in such places.
मैं इधर ही रहता हूँ सामने।
Whoever has done this has done a very kind deed indeed. So yes, during summers the animals and the birds, they're always thirsty. So it's always a good practice to leave a little water out for them. Okay, back in the narrow alleys, and let's see what is there this side. This is the section where you can find meat and eggs and all of that. So this side here is a pork shop, and just next to this is a chicken shop, and again there is a chicken shop, many chicken shops actually that side. And I think that side there in the distance is where I can find fish. This is where you can park most of your bike, and look at the cuts of mutton over here. Look very good, very fresh. Okay, so this here is the fish market. Let's go in here. A few days back we had visited the Beti fish market. The rates were quite reasonable, let's see if we can talk to these guys. Have to be a bit careful here because it's slippery. Look at the slices of kingfish here. So, and see the huge kingfish, how big this is. याचे कितले एकाचे per piece?
1,400 kilo.
1400 kilo. So this is 1400 kilo and this will be like, ये कितना 4-5 किलो रहेगा? 5. Okay, he's busy, but I'm guessing this is like 5 to 6 kgs, and this one here even has a hook in his mouth. So yeah, someone had gone fishing and looks like they caught these. Wow. And just see the crabs that are there in here. So you can see so many things, lots of pomfrets here. This is super cool. Even the fish here looks quite fresh, and how I can tell is just looking at the eyes. Just look at the eyes of the fish. They look white and they don't look bad. Sardines, yeah, many cases you'll see the eyes look red. And these are called velio, very nice for frying. So it's quite a huge market. Lots and lots of vendors over here. The only thing is that, you know, it's wet down, so you have to be a bit careful so that, you know, you don't slip. Look at the prawns here, how big. कितले त्याचे? 500 kilo. So very nice prawns, big in size. 500 for kg. Okay, thank you. We had recently bought, these are lady fish. So the rates are kind of similar to Beti, I guess. Maybe a slightly higher here because similar kind of prawns I bought for 400 a kg last time. And these are small prawns here. And look at these crabs. These are like deep sea crabs. And this is a very tasty fish. I end up catching some of these when I go fishing. Again, some more crabs here. Okay, so I'll quickly try to get through this market. I don't intend to buy any fish today because we already have a lot of seafood. And okay, look at this chonak here. Somebody had asked for the price of the chonak. Let me ask this guy. कितले त्याचे चोणाकाचे kg?
700 kg.
700 kg, okay. So this one is 700 kg. One of you had asked, and Bombay duck here, very fresh. So very nice, a lot of variety. But then once again, guys, I think maybe, you know, Beti is slightly cheaper than this one. This one obviously is inside a city, so yeah. Okay, look at this stingray. During the monsoons, we catch a lot of stingray when we go fishing. Lots of mussels. So yes, super cool market. There is a lot of variety that you can ask for. So far I just have the mangoes. I'm still looking for the water apples. In the vegetable market I didn't find any, but I have just come outside to show you guys what all is there available this side. So yes, that's where I was. That is the vegetable and the fruit section, and just opposite this side is the fish section, and that side is the meat section. Have I missed something? Let me see. Let me look around and see. Yes, if you're wondering how to enter the fish market, just remember this as your landmark, NKGSB Cooperative Bank, and you'll see this yellow building right next to it, and across that side is where we had gone. That is where the fish market is, the Beti's fish market is, and there in the distance is a huge casino. Yeah, that one there. The other landmark you can put is Amchi Vada Pav, and even this one here, Bank of India ATM. So through this lane as well, you can get towards the fish market and the vegetable market area. So somehow I managed to get a parking right in the middle of you know, all the markets. That side is fish market, that side is vegetable market, and just behind me here there are many shops where they sell clothes and different kinds of mobile covers and accessories. And this side here is where you can have tea. You can even go for a haircut if you want one, in case you decide to take a haircut before visiting the market. Alright, So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little market tour, and I think I'm pretty much done. I didn't find the water apples unfortunately, but until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.